Basically trying to get all this wet wood out. I've already cut it with a saw, and just trying to break these chunks out. Just going to be replacing the only replacing the bottom half of this stringer. So I cut a chunk out about 4 inches, and it's actually a little bit more solid than what we thought. Definitely some wet areas, but it's actually not bad for the most part. So, which is good, because that's what we were hoping for. Was to replace just a section of this. Stringer runs all the way from the front to back. Really just, I mean, honestly, it's maybe an inch of the bottom section of the wood, and then where the source is, it's pretty nasty, about 6 inches high. But that's pretty simple. The rest is solid, like new. So I'm gonna keep chipping away at it. I might go ahead and I don't want to cut this too many times. I've set my depth to the to the thickness, but it's hard to say through the glass, and I do not want to cut through the other side at all. So it's probably worth the extra effort to get to save face, basically. There we go. So all pulled out. I'm actually going to replace it with some Cusa board and epoxy. We did this side already, so even kept the bolts in and all that. I did suggest to him that put in some new ones, just because you can kind of see the space. This is all held. This is an old, got the stringer here and then separate engine mount, and they're bolted together, but I think just to custom fit this particular motor, I think that he should bolt them. I think you should give him a squeeze, tighten these up, and also maybe throw in a couple new ones. By minimum, tighten these up. So, but this is kind of what it's going to look like when it's finished, I will hope. I don't know if you got this far, go ahead and subscribe. I'm going to keep making short videos like this in series for each of my projects. So, I don't know. Thanks, subscribe, check it out.